Going on today, YouTube, back with another one. BWI2ATXF, the channel, and today we're going to be uninstalling this. This is an Elvin wall piece, and looks like the previous person before me did not clear coat it. I didn't know. So you can see the resin is failing. This is going to be removed. We're going to try to get a repair attempt at play, re-clear with someone local here in Baltimore that specializes in this, just to see where it puts us. But if this fails, then we're just gonna have to get another part. It is what it is, and this will probably be for sale if somebody wants this out. So basically, uninstall is very, very simple. All you need to do is take a flathead and pop these out. All right, with those clips out, that removes this. This is a controversial piece right here. A lot of people remove it to breathe better. Actually, research and some metrics show that this creates a vortex to actually help extract with the negative pressure. That's why Novell or Novel has that lip right here to increase extraction, to pull out, make a negative pressure. But it's definitely what this video presents. Proceed here. You got some screws right here. I believe they are 10. And then these clips right here, you just squeeze them out after you remove the clips, the screws that is, and it'll pop right out. So this last step of these white pins, they're kind of like, they grab in with push pins or whatever you want to call it, clips. Let's call them clips. Basically, you just take some pliers. This is overkill. You don't need this. You can get some wire nose pliers. That's what they're called. Or any type of thing just to get a grip on. Just take this and gently pinch it, and you'll see it move. And once it starts moving back, you should be able to move it back with the pliers themselves. And then once that's done, should be able to just grab this out. And that's it. Yeah, this thing's kind of beat, so I'd rather just put the OEM back on there instead of deal with this. Always keep your OEM parts for this exact reason. You never know when you're gonna need them. Get rid of them when you get rid of the car. So sorry for all the background noise if you can hear it. But basically, you just take these, they slide out, slide this in, slide out, slide this in. With two hands preferably, so it doesn't slide in the engine bay. And you just repeat the process, and it's as simple as that. Again, put that back on, highly recommend it. I'll clean this up once I replace it back on, but you just fit it into place. You should feel the snap. If your clips are starting to get weak, that's fine, because the clips really are just to guide it. Really what holds it into place are the nuts. So that's it.